Hello and welcome to Happy Hour.
Yes.
So March is Women's History Month.
Yes.
So each cocktail this month is inspired by an iconic woman. And if you saw last week, we were talking about this awesome cocktail book that I got for Christmas. And it's Kick-Ass Cocktails Inspired by Iconic Women.
Yes.
So they're great cocktails that either the woman loves or likes or is inspired by them, but it's not named after them.
Correct.
So in the spirit of their awesomeness, you're making drinks in their honor.
Yes. I like it.
It's good. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
So today, Iris Apfel. Does anybody know who she is? You would know right away if you saw her.
Yes. I didn't know her by name.
I didn't either.
But as soon as
I saw that photo, I was like, oh, we have to make this beverage.
Yes.
Yeah, I like her so much. She is 100 years old, so Betty White was almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there.
So this is the picture of her. She's known for her iconic style and these crazy giant black glasses that she wears. So fun.
Yes.
And layers of jewelry.
And she was, it says that she became internationally recognized as an icon at age 83.
It's incredible.
Mean, amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. It certainly proves you are never too old to accomplish whatever it is that you want to accomplish in life.
Whatever you like.
Yeah. There was a film, we watched the trailer of it from 2015. I really want to find it, so I'll put a link to it in the description for this one because it looks like a really good film.
She looks like a firecracker. Like we were watching this.
I know.
And like, what did she just say?
Yeah.
Like, all of it was like so fun. Somebody was like, "You're not very pretty, but it doesn't matter. You have style, and that's more important."
Yeah.
Like, I love it. It's so great.
Right. Just gives you just this air of confidence about yourself. She's fantastic. And then do you want to read the bottom part? Or I can.
So I'm going to read you what the drink we're making.
Okay.
Dana's going to make it while I read you this awesome paragraph.
Yes. Okay.
So we're
good.
going to do both. So,
so the drink.
We're going to make two versions of this. We're going to make the one that's true to her and the one that's true to Dana. So.
Fair.
Yes. Okay. So we're going to cut this in half.
Yes.
So we're gonna make two versions of it. So it's gonna be 1 shot Campari in each, 3 shots of club soda in one, 3 shots of tonic water in one.
That would be mine.
And then garnish with an orange slice.
Yes. Okay,
So
I'm gonna start making.
Yes.
Hux is giving her opinion today, and that's just fine.
She's got a lot to say.
She does.
She hasn't seen her brother in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
She's got to give him the what for. He's asleep.
They've played so hard, he's napping, and she's just wound up.
She doesn't care.
Yeah,
Hux,
no, it's
fine. Come on.
All right,
Okay.
so I'm gonna make while you talk.
Yes.
I'm gonna add ice to start.
Just a lot of Pomeranians.
It's a lot of Pomeranians.
Okay, so this is the part that we thought was fun to share with you from the book. So it says, Iris's favorite drink is Campari and soda. She's so particular about how it's made, then rather leave it to the bartender, she demands a glass, bottle of Campari, and some club soda on the side so she can make it herself. She says, I do my concoction like a chemist. It goes along with the clip that we saw and like what we know about her.
Yes.
She's a woman who knows what she wants.
Yes.
And like get out of her way.
Yes. Her
Also, like,
husband.
Dana, right? She's got to make her own version of the drink.
I mean, that is kind of true. I was like, well, I know she did club soda, but what if we did tonic?
Tonic was the thing. This is a very pretty drink.
It's very pretty. Have you had Campari before? I feel like you had.
It is, like, because that's in Negronis, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I learned that from one of your cocktails. One of my cocktail
I was going to say,
hours
yes.
that I was here doing by myself.
One of these days, I'm just going to set you. It's just puppies everywhere.
Puppies.
You think we have lots? There's only
There's
two
only
here.
two.
There's only two.
But they sound, well,
like,
okay,
there's 3.
we lied.
Oh, there's 3. Okay, here's the beautiful beverages.
Okay.
While we do the orange,
Come here. Hux,
somebody must be here.
come.
Do we want to do a wheel or a half?
Ooh, let's do a wheel.
Okay.
They
Okay.
want to be held, but then they don't want to be held.
Right. Well, Brucey will come over, but Hux likes to play catch.
This one's not.
That one's mine.
This is the one that got me.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
Hey, kisses.
Oh, I hope I remember. I think I just moved them straight forward.
You'll know right away.
I'm gonna have to smell. All I smell is orange. I
Okay.
think that's the club soda one.
Okay.
Cheers.
Come by.
Come by. Ooh, not your jam.
No, that's a no for me.
Tell me what you think of that one.
It's like metallic.
Oh,
Taste it.
I
Taste
don't
it.
know if I get
Am
that.
I crazy for that?
Oh. So, in general,
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of club soda.
Fair.
I like the tonic.
Yeah.
That has tonic in it. This is definitely the club soda,
Okay.
for sure. Not my jam.
Not my jam at all.
Not my jam.
But God
Iris,
bless her. This
we
is what she
we
wants.
love you. You're fabulous.
You're great.
We would sit and have a cocktail with you and let you enjoy your Campari and
Yes.
club soda and just listen to all your amazing stories.
Yes, and
'cause-
more for you.
Yeah.
You know?
And more for you. I don't think she would share anyway,
don't
though.
think she would
think
either.
She'd be like,
This
this
is
is mine.
Figure out your own drink.
You order your own bottle. I'm going to be having this one.
But that's why we try new things.
Yes.
Because
Well,
sometimes
and-
it's weird.
I mean, it's kind of on par now for our channel. Like, we haven't been making any of the beverages in advance.
Yeah.
Period.
Right.
Which is kind of fun because
It's super
then,
fun.
you know, it's a live experiment.
Lots of the cocktails are amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And we are honest about that. So
Yes.
that's the part I think is fun too.
Yeah.
And some people are gonna love this.
Right.
And God bless you.
But see, I like Campari in a Negroni.
Right.
Yeah. No, club soda's not my jam.
No.
The tonic I would drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No for me.
She's just out entirely. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Thank
we
you so
super
much.
appreciate you. We'll see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time, for another Women's History Month. See you then.
Bye.